Welcome to the first ever episode of Foodies at Home. Today we are making a chicken curry dish, Mughlai chicken. For the marinade, to a bowl add some yogurt, salt, dry coriander and cumin powder, ginger and garlic paste, turmeric, garam masala, chilli powder. To this add some olive oil and some tandoori paste. Give everything a thorough mix until it's all incorporated. Once the mixture has come together and you're left with this incredible smelling marinade, it's time to add our chicken. Give this a thorough mix, make sure all the chicken's coated evenly. Wrap this up with cling film. Refrigerate overnight. Chop up some onions and some chillies. We'll also need cooking oil, we're using sunflower, some ghee, bay leaf, whole cinnamon, aniseed, salt, chili powder, cumin and coriander powder, cashew nuts and chopped fenugreek leaves. To a saucepan, add the sunflower oil. Add the chopped onions. Once they've softened, add some green chillies and a handful of cashew nuts. Once this is cooked down a little bit, we want to take it off the heat, add everything to a food processor and give it a quick blitz. You'll be left with a sauce that looks like this. To the same pan, add the ghee, bay leaf, whole cumin and aniseed until it becomes fragrant. Add in the chopped fenugreek leaves. Once they start to wilt, add the sauce back to the pan. Keep an eye on this, we don't want it to stick or burn. Keep mixing every couple of minutes. Season this with salt, cumin, coriander powder and chili. After about 5 minutes, you'll have something that looks like this, and it's time to add our marinated chicken. Make sure you add all the marinade back into the pan and give everything a thorough mix. Once everything is incorporated, cover up and let simmer. After about 5 minutes, the chicken will have released some moisture. Add back some water, mix up well, cover back up and let simmer. Chop up some coriander for garnish. Once the sauce has thickened and the chicken is tender, add some garam masala and let it cook out for a minute. Add the coriander for freshness and we're ready to serve. You can have this with rice, you can have this with naan. Today we're having it with chapati. That's our take on Mughlai chicken. Not traditional, but just the way we like it. If you enjoyed, please give us a like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.